Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I have some more fun dies to share with you guys in this video. These dies you can purchase from AliExpress. There is a store called INLOVEARTSHOP and they have some fantastic dies that you could purchase for your projects. They cut really well, and I'm going to show you some of the dies that I have here from the store, and also some of the projects that I have made using these fun dies as well. So we'll go with this one first. This one here is a really great die to work with. You get 4 of these fun circle shaped dies. They look like wreaths, and then you can use them as embellishments, put them on cards, wherever you like, and I'll show you a couple of my projects and what they look like when you cut them out. Put that to the side. So they are nice and big, which is perfect for projects. And this is the other one, and that's another fun one, and that's this one here. I'm just going to put these so we don't put them there first. So there you get 4, and one of the projects I made was this tag, and I used this die here to make the tag. And what I'd done was I cut out 4 of these pieces out, and then I stacked them up on top of the other just to give it a bit more dimension. You can use a bit of foam and cut some foam and then cut one of these out if you wanted to, but at the time I ran out of foam, so I just cut out 4 of these pieces, and then it still did the same thing. And then I placed some of these flowers, and these leaves here, we're using some dies by Coco and Reno. It's their Make It that you could purchase now as well. It's their layered flower metal die set that you can purchase. And then I just placed that on some cardstock, and I embossed it with this fun pattern on the background. And then I just used a letter S from my alphabet dies for Sandy, and these are just some stamens that I've added there as well, and just some twine. So that's what I've done using this die to make a nice wreath to embellish on the card. And then I also made some packaging, and these are the 2 packaging that I made using this one here. So that's that one, and then I just placed a bow shape using one of my other bow dies just to place on the side of it. And what I'd done here was you open that up, and there's your packaged goodies. And I just cut out a circle using my circle die, then placed a clear acetate on the back, and then I placed the piece that I cut out on the front here. And this word die Create is also from their store, and that's this one here. They're the dies you get. They are a really great font as well, and it's nice and large, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 words, and I'll show you what the words look like when you cut it out as well. But I'll show you this one first. And then I also made another packaging with the word hello from the word dies set as well. And here is some flowers from their die set, and these are the flowers. I didn't cut them all out, I just cut out the smaller size, which is that one here. So I cut that one and then that one, and then just place it on top. And then this is the other flower, which is this one here. That cuts out that size. I didn't cut out the leaves. I was trying to see if I did cut them out, but I must have misplaced them somewhere. But these are the leaves that come with it as well. And these are really fun flower shapes. So I did get those, and then I just added some pom-pom trim. Again, I've done the same thing, just cut out a circle using my circle die and added some clear acetate to the back and glued that down, and then just a foam dot just to keep the packaging closed, and then place this shape, which is this one here, and place that on the top when I cut it out. And then I just embellished it with the flowers from the store and the word hello and some sequins. So that's those projects that I wanted to share with you using these dies. And then the words, which are these ones, the word hello, which I showed you in my project. That's this one here. That's the word hello. And then you get the word create. I might just place these here so you can see it better on the magnetic sheet. So that's the word create, and that's the word hello. There is also bright, and you get inspire. I do like this font for the words. And then you also get the word shines and sun. So they're the words when you cut it out. Again, I'll put all the links for all these dies for you down below if you would like to purchase these. And I also have this other fun die that I've made a few, or I made a couple, which is with this die here. It's like a little mini folder with a little pocket on the inside, and when you cut it out, that is the shape. And it comes with, oh sorry, it's this way here. It comes with some score lines. Actually, sorry, it's this way. They're the score lines, and you just follow the score lines and you fold it, and then what you will get is these cute little mini folder booklets. And when you open it up, there's a little tiny little slit there to close your little tab, and then there's a little part where you make a pocket and you can place a gift card in there. And I think this is really cute. I really think this is a cute little gift card holder, or a packaging holder if you wanted to use it for packaging. And this paper is by Kaisercraft. It's their hide and seek paper collection, and also all the embellishments are from the collection as well. And this here is the other one. It's the same way, except with this one here I just placed a little packaging or a little paper clip that I'd embellished and packaged that up using one of my bag topper dies. I have this tab die shape in my store, and you can get a pack of 30 if you wanted to purchase these little tab dies. I use it as a topper, and that fits nicely in there as a little gift as well if you wanted to send it off for Happy Mail. And that's how it looks like when you close it up. It's really cute, and these will fit inside a 3x4 envelope as well. And I'll just show you what it looks like or how to assemble it. So like I said, they're the score lines. You just simply follow the score line and you just fold that up, and that is for the part where you insert your card or goodies, and then you just follow that score line and fold that over, and just follow the lines, and then this side here also gets folded over. It's pretty straightforward, and that creates your little booklet. And then there's that little slit there that holds the tab close, and that's your little mini pocket folder. So again, this is another fun die as well. I really like this die, and that's this one here. So it is a good little size, and I do hope you enjoy all these projects that I've shared with you using these dies, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.